कुछ प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स दीजिए सर कि जिससे हम कोई भी डॉक्टर रिकॉर्ड्स अच्छा मेंटेन कर सके, इफेक्टिव मेंटेन कर सके, जिसके पास ईएमआर नहीं हो वो कैसे करेगा सर?
EMR नहीं भी है अगर आपके पास, तो प्रिंटेड फॉर्म्स आते हैं. Consent forms are there on our website of All India iOS or MOS also. They are in Hindi, Marathi, English, whatever language you want. They are disease specific and procedure specific. So please go through that. Modify it according to your hospital setup or clinic setup, whatever you are running. And but common procedures, suppose we are doing 10 this common 10 procedures. Be by heart what is written in that consent, and what there should be 2 or 3 extra lines that you have to put it by your pen. If suppose patient has a posterior polar cataract, you put it there, posterior polar cataract, risk of PCR and resurgery and retinal surgery in the future explained to the patient in Hindi, Marathi, English, whatever. You have to put it there. Patient had amblyopia before, so put it down. This has saved patients. This has saved many doctors. I have seen it. A patient of amblyopia undergoing cataract surgery, देन स्विंग द डॉक्टर कि मेरे को तो इतना है प्रीमियम, मैंने तो 50,000 रुपये दे दिया, मेरे को तो 2 ही लाइन दिख रही, 1 ही लाइन दिख रहे. इट इज़ रिटन देयर इन हिज प्री ऑपरेटिव नोट्स, इट इज़ रिटन इन देयर कंसेंट फॉर्म दैट पेशेंट हैड एम्प्लॉयोपिया. So guided visual prognosis is explained and the case didn't stood. These are our live cases.
तो सर ओपीडी प्रोसीजर्स के लिए फॉरेन बॉडी रिमूवल हो गया, कुछ कभी आप कॉन्क्रीशन करते हो या पीआईएस करते हो या
यूजुअली oral consents are acceptable, but suppose you are thinking it's going to be a difficult case lodged somewhere deep, or you may need a second procedure of like that, then you take it down on pen and paper.
जैसे आई नो कि AIOS has consent forms for OPD procedures also, पर क्या वो हर बार लेना, it's not probably necessary, right?
Any procedure intervention you want to do on a patient, without consent, it's considered as assault.
Okay.
You are pricking the patient, you have to take up consent. You are giving a block, you are giving injection, you are supposed to take consent. Any injury or any, you are using a blade or a scalpel or a needle on a person without his consent is classified as assault in our IPC or Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So with consent, it becomes a medical procedure. So ideally, you have to take consent before any intervention you are going to do.
So sir, since things are going so bad, I mean things can be so bad.
Things can be bad, but
that is why you have to do अच्छा documentation. But I guess यहाँ पे अभी a very big thing comes in. It is indemnity.
Yes.
Doctors के लिए indemnity. Let us talk about ophthalmology specific.
Indemnity is like your third party insurance. Without it, you should not drive any vehicle.
Right.
It's your third party. It's a compulsory. If you are practicing in a medical institute, it's a compulsory. You have no option. It's compulsory for you. You can consider it as your seat belt also, or it's like a third party insurance. So hopefully, finger crossed, nothing is going to happen to you. But what if something happens? You have got peace of mind that this company is standing behind me and they are going to cover me. It is a compulsory, but which indemnity to choose? That's where the dilemma of newer practitioners or even established that point you have to discuss with your seniors or colleagues in your areas, so you will get a better idea what options you should go for.
जैसे sir, we are living in Maharashtra. Maharashtra Ophthalmic Society offers a blanket
it's a group insurance. Group indemnity insurance is there.
So I think we all have been renewing it for over 2 to 3 years अब तक.
Yes.
तो is that sufficient? कि कुछ और भी अलग से पर्सनल लेवल पे लेना चाहिए सर?
Group insurance is considered to be sufficient, but for the initial 3-4 years, your old insurance should continue.
अच्छा.
Individual cover what you had, you should continue, because we don't know, their first case is not yet registered. How they deal with it when some mishap occurs. In Maharashtra, that group insurance we have done, no mishap has occurred and no case has been registered. Once a case gets registered or goes to the court level, then we will know how this insurance company are responding to our demands, or how they are helping us out. Till that time, I think you should not lose your, because it's
right, barabar. But I guess abhi AIOS is also starting indemnity.
They are in the pipeline, but they are in the negotiations, but yet not.
तो सर लेट से एज अ डॉक्टर गोज टू एक खुद का इंडेमनिटी प्लान लेना है, तो व्हाट 1 2 3 4 फीचर्स वहाँ पे आपने देखने चाहिए फिल्टर?
फर्स्ट ऑफ इज द लिमिट, क्या लिमिट लेना चाहते हैं.
ओके.
इंडेमनिटी इंश्योरेंस का लिमिट आपने ऐसा लेना चाहिए, द एरिया यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, द सिटी यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, द कॉस्ट ऑफ 2 BHK अपार्टमेंट शुड बी द योर इंडेमनिटी वैल्यू.
क्या बात है.
This is the thumb rule. If you are in Bombay, it will be 2 crores or 3 crores. You are in Nagpur, it will be 75 lakhs or 50 lakhs. If you are in Chandrapur, it will be 25 lakhs. Whatever. It depends. So it is the thumb rule. And there is a logic behind it. It's not just like we have pulled out some figure. There is a logic behind, because this consumer protection judges, consumer forum judges or members of this consumer, they are ordinary citizens. They don't want this, not like America. कि इसको 100 करोड़ का फाइन भर दो, प्यूनिटिव एक्शन इज नॉट देयर येट. सो दे आर रिजनेबल. दे थिंक अरे 50 लाख रुपए बहुत हो गए नागपुर वाले के लिए, बॉम्बे वाले के लिए 1 करोड़ रुपए, 2 करोड़ रुपए ठीक है. तो चंद्रपुर वाला 1 करोड़ का नहीं देगा, 20-25 लाख भरा. तो दैट इज द मेंटालिटी ऑफ द पीपल लिविंग इन द, दैट इज नाउ एज द मीडिया गोज मोर एंड मोर एग्रेसिव, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. बट दैट इज द थंब रूल दैट वी एडवाइज, बिकॉज आई गेट लॉट्स ऑफ फोन, मैं कितने का कर लूँ, हाँ मैं 1 करोड़ का करूँ, मैं 2 करोड़ का, बोले तेरे पास पैसे ज़्यादा है कर ले.
सही बात है.
One more feature that you should look for in indemnity is whether it's 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:3. What it is.
इसका क्या मतलब हुआ सर?
1:1 is up, if suppose more than one mishap occurs, they are running concurrently. So you have got indemnity of 50 lakhs. One has sued you for 40 lakhs, one has sued you for 30 lakhs. Both will run concurrently. And till the limit of 50 lakhs they are going to give you. So एक में 40 लाख का जजमेंट पास हो गया, एक में 10 लाख का, तो पूरा 50 आपको मिलने वाला 1:1 में. दैट विल बी हैव मोर प्रीमियम. 1:2 में अगर आप पे 2 केस चालू है तो 25 लाख का कैप लग जाएगा. 40 आया तो आपको 15 भरना है, 25 कंपनी भरेगी. 1:3 में 1/3 हो जाएगा, प्रीमियम कम होते जाएगा. 1:1 is always better that we recommend, because we don't know, sometimes cluster occurs, sometimes whatever, but we have to keep our finger crossed. But these are slight techniques. Also, you should include your LASIK procedure. There is a separate clause for LASIK procedures.
Oh, okay.
You have to put it refractive surgeries, that premium suddenly increases. You have to ask your agent if you are doing it on your own. So our group insurance that we are doing there, that's a very comprehensive. It also includes your vicarious liability also, your staff also, your hospital or visiting consultants also.
क्या बात है सर. तो let us imagine a scenario कि let's say मेरे पे किसी ने केस कर दिया, मेरे पास indemnity है 1:1. तो this is 1 साल में अगर एक ही केस हुआ, let's say मेरा कवर 1 CR का है now and मेरे को 1 CR के लिए सू कर लिया. दूसरा मान लीजिए बैड लक मेरा ही खराब है, 6 महीने बाद सेकंड पेशेंट निकला,
if your
तो माई खत्म हो गया वो.
नहीं, if your premium has got renewed after that and it has occurred in the next year, फिर से आपका
no, before the renewal of the premium.
it gets included in your.
अच्छा, okay.
They are going to provide you with lawyer also.
अच्छा.
You have to inform them. There is a form to fill up. You have to inform me within reasonable 24 hours, 48 hours, whatever is written in your policy. You have to inform the company. They are going to provide you lawyer. You have to give a copy of all your notes also. Provide them all the evidence. You have to sit with them. You have to, if you have your own lawyer, usually your doctors have their own lawyer also. So you have to have a group meeting also.
Right.
But you have to take them in the loop. If they are not in the loop, they are going to.
तो एनी केसेस सर अब तक आपने देखे हैं जहाँ पे इंडेमनिटी डॉक्टर पे केस हुआ है?